In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts manually in Hubspot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and a few best practices to keep your database clean and useful for your team. Start by opening HubSpot and heading to the user guide area or your main portal view. From here, we're going straight into the contacts section. You'll find contacts in the main navigation. Clicking it brings you to your contacts index page where you can see existing records, use the search bar, and filter by owner, life cycle stage, and more. It's helpful to glance at this list so you have a sense of what's already in your CRM before you add anything new. Next, look for the Create button, usually at the top right of the contacts page. Click Create New to begin building a contact from scratch. HubSpot may offer different ways to add data, but for our purpose, choose the manual option by selecting I'll set up myself. This tells HubSpot you want full control over what gets entered and how it's organized. Now enter the contact details. Start with the email address if you have it. HubSpot uses email to check for duplicates, so this step helps prevent creating multiple records for the same person. Then add first and last name, job title if known, and any key properties your team relies on like lifecycle stage or lead status. If you know the company, add it here as well. Typing a company domain can trigger HubSpot's suggestions and auto association, saving you time and keeping relationships tidy. Include a phone number and any relevant notes that help your sales or service teams pick up the conversation smoothly. If your account uses custom properties, such as region, product interest, or source, fill those in consistently. Consistency makes reporting and segmentation far more accurate later. Before saving, take a quick moment to confirm the details look right. If your organization tracks marketing permissions, set the appropriate subscription or legal basis fields now so your outreach stays compliant. And if HubSpot warns that a similar contact exists, review that alert to avoid duplicates. When everything is in place, click Create. You'll land on the new contacts record where you can immediately add a note, log a call, create a follow-up task, or associate the contact with deals and tickets. This is also a great time to pin important notes or update the contact owner so handoffs are crystal clear. That's it. You've manually added a contact in HubSpot CRM with confidence and clean data. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.